Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect the Xbox controller to your POCO X7 Pro. I'm gonna show you how to connect it both wirelessly as well as by using the cable. So first I'm gonna show you the wireless method. In order to do so, first we need to of course turn on our controller. In the meantime, we can open the settings on our phone, and here we need to go to Bluetooth. Of course, Bluetooth must be enabled. Now we need to put the controller into the pairing mode. So over here we have the pairing mode button. So press it until you see that you have the flashing logo on the controller. And now we can refresh the list of devices, and we should be able to find our Xbox controller. We should be able to select it and then choose to pair. And in a short while, we should see that the controller is connected. And now we can use our controller in order to play games and even navigate in the menus, although navigating is really quite inconvenient, I would say. So definitely better to just use it for playing games. Alright, so now that we have the wireless method covered, I'm gonna unpair my device. I'm gonna unpair the controller, there we go. And now I'm gonna show you how to connect it by using the cable. So you need, of course, the USB cable that you can, for instance, use for charging the controller. In my case, I have PlayStation cable that works as well. But this also depends on the cable that you have, because, of course, on one end you will have the USB-C that you use to connect to the controller, and on the other you might have USB Type A. So in that case, you need to also have some sort of adapter, for instance, like this one, where, as you can see, we have USB-C and USB-A. So then you need to connect the controller through the cable, first to the adapter and then the adapter to the phone. In my case, I have it a little bit easier because I have USB-C on both ends, so I don't need to use any adapter. So all I need to do is simply connect the cable like so. And now I should be immediately connected to my phone. There we go. And let's see if this works. As you can see, it still works. I can navigate, for instance, in the menu, so we don't have any issues with, for instance, playing games on phone with our controller. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.